Our data is being collected in so many ways and being sold to so many companies that frankly it's a little scaring. And in this video I'm going to show you how to configure the Spectrum Xumo box to protect your privacy. In the Spectrum Xumo box, on the remote, hit the gear button in the upper right. It's also called the settings button. That'll bring you to the menu of the settings. Hit the down button once to go to the second row, and then hit the right button once and you'll be on the privacy tile. From here, hit the center select button. Once this opens, you'll see inside of the privacy menu there's a lot of different options. The one we're going to focus on today is a few rows down. So hit the down button once, hit the down button a second time, and hit the down button a third time. And you should be on a row that says Sale, Share, Personalized, Add Preferences. Go ahead and hit the center enter button here. As I understand it, it's saying that certain activities that you do on the Xumo box are being sold as data points to third-party apps and advertisers. So go ahead and click the enter button to turn off the setting. Now that the setting's turned off, hit the enter button again for the OK, and then on the menu now you'll see that this is set to off. If you go up and down, you can see that it's still set to off. This way it protects your data, at least at a minimum, from being sold outright in this way. Just click the home button to exit the settings menu and get back to the home screen. And there's more to learn here, but I wanted to do a quick video to get this information out so you could decide if that's something you wanted to protect yourself from or not. That the settings available, as I don't think this is available in the older style traditional cable boxes as I understand it anyway. And thank you again for watching the video and for commenting. I appreciate the comments most of all. Thank you.